Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are back another video. Okay, so today I am playing obby and I am on stage 192. And the other people are 1027. Last time I checked this, oh no, I'll have it touched. Last time I checked this boy girl, I was yeah, outside. So it's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. Help me. Okay, don't. Just stretching. Okay, so let's start. I like I gotta make it to there. Doesn't seem as hard, but it's lag, just lag, just always have to lag. It's the name. No, it's not. No. But it's not really bad. It's not really bad. Okay, so I'm on 192. Okay, oh. Yes, I'm gonna make it. I made it. Okay, so now stage number lag. You gonna try this lag, try to kill me. Okay, now I'm gonna try the stupid strategy of trying to run up the stairs. He's from the steps. This is a lag-free zone. Yay, happy lag day. Now watch how I lag. Lagness. Oh, really? You think I can afford those? Sorry about the lag. Oh, I was about to walk off the edge. Sorry about the lag, guys. I just really don't like lag. Literally, like it annoys me. Okay. Do I jump on that? Like, yeah, like what? Confused. Do I touch that? Okay. What is wrong with this? Like, do I touch the blue or do we not touch the blue? Like, what's wrong with touch the blue? Always touch the blue. Lag. No, I just run on this one. I hate purple. Like, you want to skip? No, you don't want to skip. Do you think I want to skip? If I wanted to skip, I would have pressed skip down there. Oh, yeah, I made it. 100. Oh, 200. Yay! Happy Death Day! So with that, question mark. Well, it's not easy. All you have to do is hot man. Like birdie. I mean, like a rabbit hay. I just want to see curiosity. Even though that is not the right wording. Cool, I'm headed. These are the most easiest ones ever. Like, literally. So noisy. so nice, my sister. This annoys me. This, this annoys me. This doesn't. Now I'm gonna make it to do. Say the alphabet. Man, this gonna be hard. A. Dot. A B C. A B C D E E 6 9 8 7 9. Die with me. I am. Who's the discipline stuff? Not one of the big ones. Yeah. Who's that? Yeah, I just jumped. Watch me jump again. Watch me make up this. Okay. So I'll going to be a part two in this. Bye.